If your train ride is for 8 a.m., get there by 6 a.m. I'm not exaggerating because people are using the train more than ever and you don't want to get to the train station and you're like, oh sorry, we're out of tickets. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. We're back again, back on your screen. Felt cute. Might delete later. And this is Plantainmouth and I don't even know what I'm doing in my life. That being said, please, if you're new and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on that red button. Subscribe, guys. Click on the notification button so you get notified each time I put up a video. This video is basically about my train ride to Abeokuta. If you're following me on Instagram, you realize I recently went on a train ride to Abeokuta. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me now. Don't expect anything. I'm not doing giveaway. Guys, this train station is mad. I'm not even capping. If you have any question concerning the train after this video, put it in the comment section because I'm going to make another video answering all those questions to guide you. If you plan on taking a train ride before I drop this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips to follow to help you guys. Firstly, get there on time. Get there on time. If your train ride is for 8 a.m., get there by 6 a.m. I'm not exaggerating because people are using the train more than ever and you don't want to get to the train station and you're like, oh sorry, we're out of tickets. Secondly, ensure you go with a means of identification, either your NIN, your international passport, your permanent voter's card, or maybe your driver's license. Lastly, go with cash. I keep emphasizing this, go with cash. Alright, let's get to the video.
New beginnings are scary, but new beginnings are needed. For knowledge, for adventure, success, anything you want at all, you have to sacrifice your fears. There is no perfect time to go about what you have to do. If you keep waiting, you wait forever. I learned something about change management. You see, the process of change is painful, but change itself is not. It's the resistance to change that hurts. Flow with change. Do not resist it. The path to growth is quite a lonely one, but that's where courage comes in. Courage means scared to death, but saddling up anyway. Life is a journey, and everyone has a destination. Most times, we are hardly aware of what's ahead. We only hope for the best and things to turn out right. Whatever area in your life you experience change, learn to embrace it. Initially, everything might not make sense, but that's okay. Keep planning, keep writing, keep doing whatever you're doing. Be strategic. It's okay to try again when mistakes are made. Don't beat yourself. Take a break sometimes and start all over, but don't give up. If you give up, now you lose. In the words of Leo Tolstoy, true life is lived when tiny changes occur. Change occurs when you step out of your comfort zone. That being said, Life is what happens when you're planning. And when it does, you have a choice to quit or adjust and move on. The choice is yours. Everything that has a beginning must surely have an end. Don't ever wallow in your problems. To be okay in the end. And if it's not the end. Until next time.